Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker, latest news, ticker symbol FSR. News just out a few minutes ago. It's March the 18th, and this is just out a few minutes ago. As we can see, Fisker opened up, but it's just dropping back. It's on the right on the line at the moment. But this is the latest news. If you want my latest news, always tap the like button, and then YouTube will suggest my content to you. If you tap the down like button, you won't see my content anymore. So you can decide what you like there. I don't mind what you do, but just please act and do something. Click the subscribe button if you like the content, and make sure that you ring the bell. That way you don't miss the breaking news as it comes out. But this is the news this morning I've just got sent in by one of my researchers via our Discord server, which is very, very useful for our team of researchers. Here is the news. Let me bring it to you just some moments ago. Fisker announces receipt of financing commitment of up to 150 million and provides a business update. This is just out. So here we go. Let me just zoom in and make it as clear for you as I possibly can. Here we go. Here we go. So funding will be organized in 4 tranches and is being provided by the holder of the company's 2025 dated convertible notes. Fisker is in continuing negotiations with a large automaker for a potential transaction to develop EV platforms and to manufacture in the US. Fisker has delivered approximately 1,300 vehicles in 2024. Fisker, driven by a mission to create the world's most emotional and sustainable electric vehicles, today announced a financing commitment from an existing investor providing up to 150 million of gross proceeds. The financing is being provided by the holder of the company's 2025 dated convertible notes and will be organized in 4 tranches. The financing is subject to certain conditions, including the filing of Fisker's 2023 Form 10K. We've been talking about that for a while. People want to see more information from the company. Fisker is also continuing negotiations with a large automaker for a potential transaction which could include an investment in Fisker, joint development of one or more electric vehicle platforms, and North American manufacturing. The closing of any transaction would be subject to satisfaction of important conditions, including completion of due diligence and negotiation and execution of appropriate definitive agreements. Fisker has produced approximately 1,000 vehicles in 2024 through to March 15 and has delivered approximately 1,300 globally in that same time frame in January. Fisker's US registrations at 640 for the month, top Toyota, and ranked 13th overall among brands selling EVs in the US, according to the S&P mobility data cited by Automotive News. The company has approximately 4,700 vehicles in its current inventory carried over from 2023 and including 2024 production. While it has not completed an NRV analysis for 24, Fisker believes the completed vehicle value for its inventory as of March 15, 24 is in excess of 200 million. Fisker will pause production for 6 weeks, starting the week of March 18th. Starting today, we are going to pause for 6 weeks to align inventory levels and progress strategic and financing initiatives. Fisker had filed a Form 8K with the US Securities and Exchange Commission detailing the news contained in the press release, as well as providing additional disclosure. There we go. So what do you think of that? That's news just out with Fisker this morning. Many of you are hoping for a short squeeze, but we need more information and we need more volume in the right direction. We don't have that at the moment, however. So there you go. That's just before the bell goes this morning. I've also just put out a chart for you as well, predicting and putting out a plan for this week's action provided by Sensei Crypto. If you'd like that chart, I'll give you that link above my head, down below in the description, and over here I'll put that video and more videos I think you will find useful. Fisker. Where are we going to go today? Is it going to be a red or green day? Can't make its mind up yet. This news is just out. I wish everybody the very best of luck. Until next time, as always, make sure you don't miss the 24-hour stream. They're just down here. We're live nearly all day long, every day now, Monday to Friday. You don't want to miss that. That's where we share information prior and in between the shows, breaking news, research goes on, live interviews, all of that stuff. Go and check out the extra channel. Again, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.